totoo yung sinasabi nila eh. Pag business person ka, hawak mo yung oras mo. But there's another side. There's a flip side on that coin, di ba? Hawak mo yung oras mo, meaning anytime pwede kang magtrabaho. In fact, nung nagbi-business kami, mga 2 in the morning, 1 in the morning, nagdi-deliver kami ng products namin doon sa client namin. Bakit? Kasi kailangan na nila. Maganda nga yung kita, hawak mo nga oras mo, pero bugbog naman yung katawan mo, ang nagsasuffer sa'yo, health mo. Right? So, napagdaanan ko na po lahat yan. And kaya ako tinigil na yan, kaya ako nag-focus na ngayon sa Live Good kasi none of those really made my dreams come true eh. Ang dami kong pangarap sa buhay, walang natupad. In fact, doing those things, medyo nagkalubog-lubog pa ako sa utang. Diba? So because of that, sa Live Good, nakita ko yung potential na talagang makabangon, not only makabangon, pero matupad yung mga pangarap ko. At ang maganda nito, meron pa akong pagkakataon na matupad yung pangarap ng ibang tao. Okay? Kasi I don't know where you're coming from eh. Because yun story ko yun eh. But we have our own stories. Diba? Si Mary Glenn is single mom. So may struggle din yan. Diba? And I see people greeting me from UAE. So mga OFW yan. Nangungulila sa pamilya yan. May kanya-kanya tayong struggles. But this is what I can tell you right now. If you do live good, sabay mo sa whatever you're doing right now, do live good. And I'm going to tell you, in 2 to 3 years na talagang gagawin mo to ng dire-diretso, seryoso, i-retire mo na lahat yan. If you're an employee, if-fire mo na yung boss mo. Kung OFW ka, magre-retire ka na. Kung business person ka, talagang ipapasa mo na sa ibang tao yung business mo. Bakit? Because the income that Live Good is going to give you is more than enough. More than enough for you, for your family, more than enough to change your life. Alright? So with that, baka nagtataka na kayo, especially yung mga bago, yung mga invites, ano ba si Live Good? So just to give you an overview of the Live Good, of what Live Good is, and how is it different, and how is it really for you, eto, pakinggan natin si Ben Glinsky, our CEO.
Hi, this is Ben Glinsky, founder and CEO of Live Good. Over the past 20 years, we've launched and run some of the most successful products and companies in the entire network marketing industry. We've helped hundreds of thousands of people all over the world generate extra income from home, paid out close to $1 billion in commissions, and have been featured all over the internet, in magazines, newspapers, even on TV. People often ask, how have our companies been so successful while thousands of others have failed? The answer is simple: timing. Recognizing trends in the network marketing industry, trends in society, trends in the economy. With inflation higher than ever, gas prices up, causing utility bills to rise, mortgage and rent payments going up, travel getting more expensive, people are looking for ways they can save money without compromising quality. Because of that, the network marketing industry is at a major crossroads. Products have become more and more overpriced just so companies can pay out big commissions and compensation plans. But with buying habits trending away from higher priced products in search of better value, that model just doesn't align with where the industry is going. In fact, if you look at some of the biggest companies in the network marketing industry, like Herbalife, USANA, and Nu Skin, their revenues are down as much as 20% from just a year ago. While companies like Walmart and Costco's revenues are up 9% and 12%. In the words of our director of network marketing, Nader Kazan, the days of selling overpriced products so a few people at the top of a compensation plan can get rich are over. That's why we created Live Good. Teaming up with amazing health and wellness experts Ryan and Lisa Goodkin, we've created a line of the highest quality nutritional supplements on the planet that people need. And we make them available for as much as 75% less than what other companies are charging for lower quality products. Take our organic Super Reds, for example, probably the best cardiovascular health product ever created. Higher quality with more antioxidant-packed ingredients than even best-selling non-organic Super Beets, and for less than half the price. How about CBD oil? Other companies are selling 500 milligram CBD oil for as much as $80. Ours is the highest quality CBD available anywhere, and with 750 milligrams of CBD, it's 50% stronger for just $18. Not only that, but every one of our highest quality products comes with a full 90-day empty bottle money-back guarantee. If you don't absolutely love any of the Live Good products that you order, simply send back the empty bottle and we'll give you a full refund. No questions asked. So what does all this mean for you? On top of having products that virtually sell themselves in a company that is perfectly aligned with shifting buying habits in the marketplace, we give you all the tools, systems, websites, videos, training, and everything you need to help you earn extra income easier and faster than any other company in the industry. In fact, this video that you're watching right now is part of the industry's most powerful Powerline-driven marketing system that allows you to reserve a free temporary position in our company before you have to commit anything to getting started. What that means is when you enter your name and email on this page, we will immediately reserve you a position and show you everyone who does the same after you by placing them under you in the Powerline. Now, each Thursday night is the cutoff day to lock in your position or miss out. Everyone who locks in their position by becoming a member of Live Good for just $9.95 a month, plus a one-time $40 affiliate sign-up fee, moves to the top of the Powerline above everyone who waits. Those people are then placed in our fast-filling 2x14 forced matrix before all the people below them in the Powerline. So each person is positioned in the matrix in the highest available position following their enroller. By being a member of Live Good, you're going to save up to 75% off the highest quality nutritional supplements on the planet to keep you and your family healthy. And if you happen to get some people placed under you in the matrix and you make a few extra $100 a month or a few extra $1,000 a month on top of that, even better. And the way our compensation plan works, you have the potential to earn over $2,000 a month in the matrix without ever having to enroll a single person. And if you do choose to share Live Good products and opportunity with others, you can earn significantly more. In fact, with our matching bonuses, just by enrolling one person, you double your earning potential. With millions of people joining Live Good in the next 24 months, the only place they can go in the matrix is under the ones who are already in there. So the sooner you lock in your position, the higher you'll be placed in the matrix. So fill out the form on the right, and it won't take long for you to see why people are calling Live Good the most exciting company in the industry. We'll see you at the top.
Yes, see you at the top. See you all at the top. Especially my team, Millionaire Maker, I'll see you all at the top kasi yun talaga yung vision ko sa inyo. Sa ating lahat, we will all be reaching Crown Diamond, and that's the soonest possible time. And I will be coaching you all the way to it. Diba? I'm sure na yung mga vision sa inyo ng mga coaches nyo, ganun din. I'm pretty sure of that. Kasi yun yung vision ng pinaka-coach natin dito, si Coach Fernan, na lahat tayo magda-diamond. Alright? So Live Good, the most exciting company in the industry today, which is true. It is very true. Imagine, in as short as 9 months, ang dami-dami na pong members ng Live Good. Okay? Kasi sa Live Good, the company made it easy for us to do the business. Made it simple for us to do the business. Okay, let me show you. Dito sa Live Good, wala na tayong overpriced products. Magugulat kayo, ang mumura ng produkto natin pero ang gaganda ng quality. Alright? No huge product package to join. Dun sa iba, yes, maiinganyo ka, no? Gustong-gusto mo na sumali. Tapos pag tinanong mo, paano ba mag-join? O sige, bumili ka ng products worth 60,000, 18,000, or some 100,000. Dito, wala na po yan. Mamaya lang, papakita ko sa inyo kung magkano para mag-join sa Live Good. No huge auto ship. Ano naman yan? Yan yung mga qualifiers natin monthly. Diba? Yes, nagtrabaho ka, supposedly may commission ka na, nakikita mo dun sa business site mo, pero hindi mo matanggap kasi kailangan mo magkaroon ng personal volume, group volume. Tinanggal na po natin lahat yan, alright? So no huge auto ship, no back to zero. No back to zero. Kasi yung iba, ang distributor ng ibang company, ito yung kinakatakutan, yung palit ng buwan. Kasi alam nila, pag nagpalit na ng buwan, burado lahat yung tinrabaho nila at back to a plain distributor sila. Tatrabahuhin ngayon nila yung pag-rank nila ulit. Alright? No forced buying of products. Hindi tayo pupwersahin bumili ng products pero sa ganda ng produkto, kayo mismo, bibili kayo and you'll make sure na hindi kayo mawawalan. Alright? And then no selling, therefore no quota. So live good with yung premium health quality products natin, it is at almost manufacturing price. Dinagdagan lang ng konti, pambayad dun sa mga very small overhead and then binebenta na sa atin mga affiliate members. Eto, usually sa ibang company, sa mga presentation na maririnig nyo, huling sinasabi to. Bakit? Kasi kailangan i-hype muna kayo, i-excite muna kayo, yung talagang gustong-gusto nyo na sumali. Ito, ngayon pa lang, sasabihin ko na. Magkano para mag-join sa Live Good? $49.95. Magkano yan in peso? Wala pa pong 3,000. $2,950. Alright? And then, wala na ring malaking monthly auto ship, di ba? Magkano ngayon yung monthly subscription to stay a member? It's only $9.95. Magkano yan? $580. Magtipid ka ng 20 pesos a day. Pagdating ng isang buwan, may sukli ka pang 20. Pambili mo na lang ng corneto. Di ba? And then, ang maganda pa nito, you retain your rank without working for it monthly. Kasi wala nang back to zero. You buy products, you buy only health products you want, and when you want to. Wala ditong pilitan. Hindi ka matatambakan, hindi ka magkakaroon ng isang kwartong punong-puno ng produkto na nag-e-expire na kasi hindi ka naman namin pipilitin bumili dito. Alright? Pero sinasabi ko sa inyo, sa ganda ng products, hindi nyo papayagang mawalan kayo sa bahay nyo. At ang pinakamaganda sa Live Good, you get paid for all your effort. Kasi nga pinadali na yung qualification. Diba? So long as you're a member, so long as you're an affiliate member, then you get paid for every effort you put in Live Good. Okay, so you might be thinking, paano nagagawa ni Live Good yan? Diba? Hindi kumikita sa product. Because Live Good adopted another model, another business model. Yan yung tinatawag naming membership club. Okay, maybe familiar kayo sa membership club. In fact, maybe member na kayo ng ibang club. Diba? Pero kakaiba si Live Good because Live Good is a membership club that pays. Yes, you heard me right. Just by being a member, staying a member, remaining a member, magkano yung membership? $9.95? O kung gusto mo makatipid ka, bayaran mo yung isang taon, $99.95. Diba? Just by doing that, Live Good will pay you. Alright? Tanong ko lang, okay ba yung audio ko? Wala bang mga distraction or whatever? Can I see a thumbs up? Alright, good. Sige. So ayun, Live Good is a membership club that pays. So just to give you an idea, ano ba yung mga membership club na yan? Ito yung mga popular membership club out there. Number 1, Amazon Prime. Si Amazon Prime, just to tell you, yung mga members nila, bibigyan lang nila ng access dun sa online shop nila para makabili ng mga products nila at wholesale price. Magkano binabayaran ng mga members? $14.99 per month or $139 per year. Diba? If they fail to pay that, tanggal yung access nila. Sam's Club, pretty much the same. $100 naman per year yan. Si Netflix, eto naman, unlimited watching of movies and shows. Pero hindi po libre yan. You also pay subscription for that. $9.99, $15.49, or $19.99. Depending dun sa package na napili mo. Again, pag hindi ka nakapagbayad, tanggal din yung access mo. Disney Premium is pretty much the same as Netflix pero mas focus sila sa mga Disney channels. 'Di ba? Pansinin niyo sa mga cable TVs, wala na pong Disney channels. 'Di ba? Kasi gusto nila lahat ng mga tao na nanonood ng mga Disney shows maging subscriber ng Disney Premium. Magkano si Disney Premium? $10.99 or $109.99 per year. Okay, if I can compare Live Good with any of these membership clubs, siguro pinakamalapit na si Costco. However, Costco is more of a physical store, pero mas kilala siya sa US and other Western countries. Okay? Ang yearly niya is $120. Pero yung members nila, ang matatanggap lang is an ID card para magkaroon ng access dun sa store nila. Alright? Again, once they have an access, sila lang yung pwedeng pumasok dun sa store. Dun sa store, makakabili sila ng mga products at wholesale price. Pero from what I've heard, kailangan in volume pa rin yung pagbili mo sa Costco para talagang mababa yung presyo nila. Alright? So pretty much the same with Live Good. If you become a member of Live Good, bibigyan ka ng username, password para ma-access mo yung online store and dun ka mamimili ng mga premium health products right now. Kasi we started with health products, premium health products at a very low cost. Kung i-describe ko nga yun, almost manufacturing costs. Okay? And then, how do you pay your membership? Through subscription. Okay? Just to give you an idea, ano yung mga subscription, siguro pinakamagandang example niyan si Zoom. Ito pong Zoom natin, binabayaran po natin yan. Ang pinakamaliit na package dito, nasa $14 a month. 100 participants yung kaya. Pero itong sa atin, medyo malaki to, kaya mas mataas yung binabayaran natin. Imagine, $14 lang, hindi masakit sa bulsa yan. Kaya yung mga subscribers, bayad ng bayad dyan. Tignan nyo kung magkano kinita ni Zoom. Zoom actually earned $2.65 billion in annual revenue. Ganyan po kalaki yung naging kita nila dun sa $14. Kasi ang daming nagsusubscribe sa Zoom. Si Netflix, magkano si Netflix kanina? $9.99, di ba? Most likely, yung mga subscriber niyan, nandun lang sa package na yon. But there are 230.75 million subscribers. Kaya ang kinita ni Netflix, $31.6 billion in 2022 alone. And then si Costco, nabanggit ko si Costco kanina, 59 million members household, 107 million cardholders. And lahat sila willing na magbayad ng mga subscription nila para makuha nila yung benefits of buying the products at wholesale price, di ba? Magkano yung kinita niya for membership fee alone? $3.5 billion. The reason why I'm telling you this is because Live Good is a membership club and we pay our membership through subscription. Yan po yung industriya na pinasok ni Live Good. Kung itong mga to lumaki ng ganyan, tayo rin po lalaki, mas lalagpasan natin yan. Why? Because we offer a Live Good opportunity. Diba? Unlike most home businesses, Live Good is not about overpriced products, but about saving people money on health products. Yes, mamaya makikita nyo talagang hindi na willing na kayo maging healthy. Ngayon kasi medyo hesitant ka pa eh. Before pala, hesitant ka pa kasi ang mamahal ng mga health products. Dito po sa bagsak ng presyo pero sa taas ng quality, magiging healthy na kayo. So if you have a passion for health and wellness, if you have a passion for helping people, and if you are not looking for a get-rich-quick scheme, then Live Good is for you. Yes, this is not a get-rich-quick scheme. So yung mga nag-i-expect ng ganyan, I'm sorry to disappoint you. Meron po tayong gagawing trabaho dito. Alright? But if you do the business right, this is a get-rich-sure business. Sigurado kayong layaman dito sa Live Good. Okay? Because Live Good is a club membership that pay. You can earn as a club member of Live Good whether or not you refer other members to the program. You heard me right. Whether or not you refer other people to the program. So yung mga sumasali sa ibang company na talagang hindi maka-refer, 'di ba? Tapos luhaan na lang kasi nawalan sila ng 18,000, 60,000. 'Di ba? Kawawa naman eh. Pero dito sa Live Good, ang baba na ng joining, ang baba na ng monthly, but time will come, babayaran pa sila ni Live Good. Alright? Now, if you are here, I'm encouraging you right now, kung gusto nyo maging member ng Live Good, I really want to encourage you to share the business to as many as possible. Kasi mamaya maririnig nyo sa compensation plan bakit mas magandang nag-share ng business. Alright, so just to give you a brief history of Live Good, Live Good launched globally on December 13, 2022 with its business of wholesale club membership. Ganun po tayo kababa. December lang po tayo nag-start, but look at the growth. We started with 2,000 members. Came April of 2023, umabot na ng 250,000 members. And now, as we speak, mamaya papakita ko kung ilan members na natin. Pero yung prediction natin na by December, aabot tayo ng 1 million members. Definitely, maabot natin yan before December. Alright? And here in the Philippines, they started with 4 people last January. 4 persons lang. Ang number 1 dito, si Coach Fernan. Diba? Nung unang ang webinar nila, parang wawalo lang daw sila eh. Pero right now, we are at 100,000 members already. Yung Dream Maker Worldwide natin. Ayan po, 700 members, affiliate, paid yan ha, paid affiliates worldwide. Dito sa Philippines, 100,000 from Dream Maker Worldwide. Ano ibig sabihin yan? Ibig sabihin yan, 14%. Ganon po kalaki ang Pilipinas compared dun sa buong mundo na. Kaya nga sinabi ni Ben Glinsky, Philippines is the fastest growing organization of Live Good. Right? You have to be proud of that. So why are people joining Live Good? I'll give you 6 reasons. Number 1, amazing products. Maririnig nyo mamaya, napakaganda ng quality natin. Number 2, affordable prices. Incredible prices. Kasi almost manufacturing price nga. Number 3, business side naman, wala na yung auto ship. Napakadali pong mag-maintain ng business natin. Mamaya maririnig nyo rin. No monthly products to buy. Hindi kayo pipilitin ditong bumili ng product kasi hindi naman tayo product focused eh. Kaya nga iba yung business model natin, di ba? We are on membership club, right? Pero sa ganda ng produkto natin, yun ang maganda eh. Hindi natin sinuffer yung quality ng product. Sa ganda ng produkto natin, we are one of the few, if not the only company that offers 90-day empty bottle money-back guarantee. Doon sa iba kasi 7 days, 30 days, di ba? Tsaka gusto nila, pag sinoli mo, may laman pa yung container. Dito, ubusin mo yung container, ubusin mo lahat yung products, within 90 days, isoli mo, sabihin mo hindi mo nagustuhan, ibabalik yung pera mo. No questions asked. But despite us offering that, very minimal po ang return sa Live Good. Alright? That's why Live Good is the number 1 business to join. So Live Good is actually a US-based direct sales company focused on wellness and digital service. Napakaganda niyan. Kasi yung dalawang industriya na yan, napaka-trending ngayon. Because of pandemic, na-open na yung mind ng mga tao that we need to be healthy. That's why we're looking for quality health products. Yun nga lang, during that time, mahal yung mga produkto. Pero eto na si Live Good, offering top quality products at a very low price. Di ba? Tapos digital service, because of the lockdown also, lahat nag-internet na. Homeschooling, board meetings, internet na. Ngayon, paying of bills, internet. Ordering your food, internet na lahat. Imagine, yan dalawang very trending na industriya na yan, pinagsama ni Live Good. Kaya putok talaga tong company natin, putok talaga tong Live Good, di ba? And Live Good, by the way, is based on USA. Florida, US, Jupiter, Florida, USA to be precise. Andun po yung ating head office. And our corporate team are always there. Okay? Pero ito gusto kong i-check nyo, yung mission ni Live Good. Our mission is to help people get healthy and stay healthy without having to spend a fortune doing it. Ako tuwan-tuwa ako dito sa mission na to kasi most mission ng ibang companies, company-centered eh. Our mission is to be the number 1 direct sales. Our mission is to be the number 1 in the nutritional space. Pero si Live Good, people-centered. Our mission is to help people. Help people. Kaya tayo, mga affiliate members, if you're already an affiliate member, you are in the right company. You are in the best company. And if you're not yet an affiliate member, this very mission is a very good reason for you to join. Alright? So here are the people behind Live Good. Number one, our CEO. Kung narinig niyo yung video kanina, siya yung nagsasalita doon. Siya yung nagvo-voice over doon sa video. Imagine, napaka-on-hand nitong taong to. And if you actually listen to him sa mga webinars niya, sa mga training, makikita mo yung humility niya, tsaka kindness of heart. Tsaka kitang-kita mo talaga na ang mission niya is to make people succeed. Diba? Especially yung mga na-burn na or natalo na doon sa ibang companies. This is your chance to get back. Alright? With over 20 years of experience owning and running some of the most successful companies in the nutritional space, Ben knows how to help people win. And yun talaga yung nasa puso niya. Talagang tulungan tayong mag-succeed. Okay? And what he did, nag-form siya ng team. Pinagsama-sama niya itong tatlo pang napakagagaling na tao. Alright? Because he believes that true leadership creates true success. Number one, Dr. Ryan Goodkin. Dr. Ryan Goodkin is a doctor of pharmacy with an understudy of health supplement. Siya yung ating product formulator. Ang maganda kay Doc Ryan, sinabi niya talaga, ito, came from his mouth, I formulate products not to sell, but for me and my family to use. So just think about it. Sinong tao ang magbibigay ng ikaka-harm ng kanyang family? Wala po. And that's an advantage for us, affiliate members. Kasi alam natin na kahit anong product ng Live Good na ipapasok natin sa katawan natin, bukod sa maganda na yung quality, bukod sa maganda na yung potency, very safe pa. Okay? Lisa Goodkin naman is our Director of Product Education, si Wifey yan, Wifey ni Ryan. Ano naman siya? Wellness coach. Holistic yung approach niya. Kaya dito, hindi lang siya nagtuturo about the supplements that their Live Good is carrying, but pati yung sleeping habits, exercise, kasi ang gusto naman niya lahat ng tao maging healthy. Now, Nader Kazan is our Director of Network Marketing. He's been in the industry for almost 40 years. Imagine, 1998 pa lang nagte-train na ng mga leaders yan. Ganun siya ka-expose sa industry. And being exposed like that, he has seen the good, the bad, and the ugly. Ang maganda nito, tinanggal niya na yung bad and ugly at lalo pa niyang pinaganda yung good dito sa Live Good. Alright? And this is one of the reasons why we've reached 700,000 in as short as 9 months. Alright? So let me talk about the products right now. We actually started with 15 life-changing products, but right now I believe we have over 20 products na. And it's really life-changing. Kasi talagang it is so formulated that it would really take effect on your health. Ganun siya kaganda. And lahat po highest quality. The purest, most natural ingredients from the most pristine location on the planet and world-class manufacturing facilities. So both the raw ingredients, pinagpilian yan at talagang quality yung pinili para ilagay dun sa products natin, as well as yung pagmamanufacture ng products. Ganyan po kaganda yung quality natin. All our products are made in USA, approved by GMP. Just to give you an idea, GMP po, good manufacturing practice, bago mag-approve yan, ang taas ng standards niyan. Hindi yan basta-basta nag-a-approve ng mga products. But all our products are approved by GMP. Because all our products are lab-tested for purity and potency. In fact, we're very open about it na pinapakita natin to sa website natin mismo, Certificate of Analysis. We had all our products analyzed by experts tapos nilagay natin dyan yung result. Kasi alam natin na talagang ang sasabihin lang ng mga experts, the quality of the product is very good. Andyan po, nasa website po natin yan for everybody to see. Alright? And then, the reason why we have around 20 products already kasi ang target natin is wellness for all. Kasi hindi mo naman kailangan lahat ng produkto ng Live Good. Kaya nga dito, hindi ka pipilitin bumili ng products. Kung ano yung kailangan mo, yun lang ang bilhin mo. Let's take for example, when men and women's health. Magkaiba ang physiological need ng lalaki at babae. So kung ano lang yung kailangan mo, yun lang bilhin mo. 'Di ba? If your problem is nutrition, meron tayong product for that. 'Di ba? Kung gusto mo naman, pampaganda lang, di ba? E dito ka sa skincare tsaka anti-aging products natin. Meron tayo niyan. Body cleansing, very important kasi kailangan natin i-release lahat ng toxins ng katawan natin. We have products for that as well. Immunity, another very important because our immune system is our fighter for diseases. Lahat ng mga diseases na gustong pumasok sa katawan natin, yan yung kumo-combat, yung lumalaban. If our immune system is high, then definitely, most likely, hindi tayo magkakasakit. Meron tayong product for immunity. Weight management, dalawa po yan. Either you want a weight gain or weight loss. We have products for that as well. Energy, because of our lifestyles, the food that we eat, lack of exercise, parati tayong nanlalata. We often feel lethargic. Kaya meron tayong products for energy. In fact, most of our products offer yung pandagdag ng energy. Kasi nakita talaga ni Live Good, yun yung problema ng tao. Alright, so you see, wellness for all. Talagang holistic ang gustong i-cover ni Live Good. But again, you don't need to buy all the products. You just have to choose what's best for you. Alright? And what's good thing about our products, it's available in over 200 countries. No, I'm not saying that we have warehouses in each of this country. What I'm saying is, ready to ship na po yan. And we have partnered with DHL and USPS. Talagang nakakarating at nakakarating yung produkto kung saan man nila ipapadala. In fact, yung sa amin, pang-5 order na namin, lahat nakarating. Diba? So, hindi ka na mag-worry kasi very simple lang. You go online, you order products. Once you paid for it, papakita sa'yo. Ipapack na nila yan, isi-ship na nila yan, tapos bibigyan ka nila ng link para makita mo kung nasa na yung products mo. Nakakatuwa kasi makikita mo from Florida, napunta na New York, napunta na New Jersey, and then lumipad na ng Japan. And then finally, nandito na sa Philippines. Ganyan po yan. Okay, so, your question may be, how do I order products? Actually, nasagot ko na yan. Pero eto, there are 2 ways to order products, either as consumer or as member. As consumer, you pay retail low prices compared to other brands. Okay? Talagang mababa yung presyo natin. Pamaya papakita ko yan. Pero as member, you pay even lower price. So why would you remain a consumer when by paying $995 lang, member ka na, mas may enjoy mo na yung mas mababang presyo. Di ba? So, kaya nga Live Good member saves up to 75% compared to products in other network marketing companies. Yes, I'm going to tell you this. Kasi sa other network marketing companies, naging custom na yung mga kinikita nila, kailangan idagdag nila sa presyo ng product. Opo, narinig niyo po ako ng tama. So yung pangrenta ng warehouse, pangbayad ng country manager, ng mga staff, and even those who are at the top of the compensation plan, yung pambayad sa kanila, saan nila kinukuha? Sa presyo ng products. Kaya gustong-gusto rin nilang mabenta yung mga products nila. Kaya pinipilit nilang yung mga distributors nila bumili ng products nila. Kaya mataas yung kanilang qualifying and whatnot. But that's the traditional way and we call that price gouging. And we want to put an end to that. Live Good wants to put an end to that. Kaya ito, nakikita niyo yung illustration, si David and Goliath yan. Live Good right now is very small kasi simula pa nga lang natin noong December. But we're going to put an end to the price gouging MLMs. And I'm telling you, 9 months pa lang tayo, damang-dama na nila yung presence natin. Kasi nga, yung mga consumer, why would they buy $100 product from another company when Live Good is offering the very same product of better quality pa for only $18? Di ba lilipat sila sa Live Good? Even the distributors mahihiya na silang magbenta ng $100 products nila kung alam nila si Live Good may 18. Di ba? So most likely, lumilipat din sa Live Good. Don't get me wrong, we're not here to attack tong mga malalaking companies na to. No, what we're here is to put an end to the price gouging MLMs. Kaya ayaw na rin natin yung overpriced products. Dito sa Live Good, bawal ang mahal. Okay? Sabi nga ni Nodor Kazan, the days of selling overpriced products so a few people at the top of the compensation plan can get rich are over. That statistics is really true. Sa mga other companies who are doing price gouging pa rin, iilan lang po talaga yung totoong nagsasucceed. In fact, out of 100, siguro 95 talagang lugi. 'Di ba? Yung mga kawawa. 1% lang talaga yung nasa top, yung mga nag-earn ng millions. 'Di ba? Yung 4% siguro getting by lang. And yung mga kinikita nila, pinambibili pa nila ng products para makuha nila yung compensation nila. 'Di ba? So if you don't believe me, kung talagang mababa yung presyo ni Live Good, ito, let me show you. Our CBD oil. Si CBD oil natin, we offer a 750 milligrams CBD oil. Pero yung pinakamalapit na competitor natin, si Young Living and Green Roads, they're only offering 500 and 550 milligrams. But look at the prices, $79.95, $89.99. Kay Live Good po, $18 lang. You only need to pay $18 if you're a member. Alright? When it comes to nutrition naman, ang pinaka-product natin for that is Super Greens kasi this is a combination of different botanicals put in together to make us, to nourish our body. Okay? Pinakamalapit dyan si Athletic Greens at si Organifi Greens. Pero mas maganda pa rin ang Super Greens natin. Check the labels. Mas maganda pa rin lumalabas yung Super Greens natin. Magkano sila? $99.99, $69.99 sa atin. Pag member ka, $18. Okay? If you're looking for beautification naman, eto, Ageless Skin Serum, actually at $59.50, nakabenta po sila ng 1 million units nito. Alright? Tapos yung isa, $86, malamang marami ring nabenta sila niyan. Diba? Pero sa atin, $14.95 if you're a member. So ba't ka bibili sa iba when it's offered at Live Good? Much better quality for only $14.95. Yun yung sinasabi ko. Gone are the days of price gouging. Ito pa, another product, collagen peptides. Si collagen peptides, maganda yan. Magandang product yan. Pampabata yan. Pampatibay ng mga buto-buto natin. Pampaganda ng skin texture natin. Talagang, kumbaga, if it will preserve your youthfulness. Right? Magkano yung competitor natin? $79.96, $69.95. Sa atin, if you buy it at retail, mas mababa na, $39.95. But if you become a member, $27.95 lang yung babayaran mo. So sa savings mo pa lang, when you buy collagen peptides, mababayaran mo na yung $9.95 na monthly subscription. Di ba? So why buy it as a consumer when you can actually buy it as a member? Okay? Kaya become a member. Now, if you notice, meron tayong retail price tsaka members price. Kasi nga yung consumers, they pay retail price. But if you're a member, you pay the members price. Kaya may difference yan. Okay? Let me show you some of the products. Ito, our Bioactive Complete Multivitamins for men and women, ang retail price niyan is $17.95. Pero ang members price, $9.95. Napaka-complete po nito. It has 24 ingredients in it. Tapos lahat yung ingredients na yon, ang ano lang talaga is to make you healthy. Alright? Imagine, $9.95 as member. Yung savings mo palang pambayad mo na nung subscription mo. And then Organic Super Greens, na mention ko na kanina. Retail price, $29.95. Members price, $18. Yung Organic Super Reds, ito, one of my favorite. Actually, my favorite na ito. Kasi para sa cardiovascular system natin yan, yung circulation ng blood. If our blood circulation is good, lahat ng nutrients, pati oxygen, madi-deliver to every part of our body, putting it at its optimal state. Alright? Magkano yung retail price? $29.95. Pag member ka, $18. Diba? And then what else? Ito, kung health naman, kung weight management naman yung gusto mo, if you want to lose weight, this is for you. Healthy Organic Weight Management Coffee with Mushrooms. Okay? Ito, mag-feeling, after drinking this, talagang you'd feel full. Diba? And it gives you the same effect as coffee without yung panginginig, yung jittery. Alright? Retail price, $28.95. If you're a member, you only need to pay $17.95. Diba? So why not be a member? Now, Kung body toning naman, body leaning, or even bodybuilding yung plano mo, you need complete plant-based protein. Diba? Retail price is $34, members price $22. Ganun siya kababa. In fact, meron tayong package whereby there are 7 products in it for only $99. Nakita nyo kanina yung isang product na pinakita ko from another company. $99 isang product pa lang. 99.99 nga mas mahal pa sila ng 99 cents. Dito $99, 7 products na. Kung i-compare mo nga sa ibang products na nasa market, you need to pay $278.75 para lang ma-complete yung 7 products na yan. You see, ganun kababa sa Live Good. And true enough, dumadating talaga yung products. This picture is taken by one of our coaches nung unang dumating yung products nila. Just to show na yeah, we order online, but it's being delivered to our doorstep. Alright? So you may be asking now, how do I become a Live Good member? Kasi nga, wow, mas mababa yung babayaran ko as a member. Simple lang po. I'm sure na somebody invited you to this presentation. The reason why you're here, may nag-invite sa inyo, ask for their sponsors link. Doon kayo magre-register. And then after you register, bayaran nyo na rin. Mag-lock in na rin kayo. Okay, how much do you need to pay? $9.95 for 1 month. Or kung gusto mo makatipid, $99.95 for 1 year na. Nakatipid ka ng 2 buwan. How do you pay that? Credit card. Kung wala kang credit card, kahit debit card or ATM, so long as it's Masters or Visa. Kung wala ka pa rin nun, pero marunong ka mag-crypto, pwede rin because we also accept cryptocurrencies. Alright? And kung wala pa rin talaga, you talk to your upline. Tutulungan ka niya. Alright? And then you buy, as a member, you get to buy the products at almost manufacturing price. Okay, so yan yung may enjoy natin as a member. Talagang yung mga products na pinakita namin sa inyo, mabibili nyo at members price. Ganun po ang ma-enjoy natin. Talagang ngayon, pwede na tayo maging healthy. Pero why be satisfied with just discounts? Yes, $1 saved is $1 earned. Pero with that savings, hindi ka aabutin ng millions. Kasi nga yung savings mo, yung na-save mo sa products, pwede mo nang pambayad ng bills o pandagdag dun sa matrikula ng anak mo. Diba? However, hindi po yan yung magpapayaman sa atin. Kaya ang question namin dito, would you like to earn up to 2,000 or more per month? Huwag nyo kakalimutan yung or more, tsaka yung per month. Diba? Kasi kung tuloy-tuloy ang kita na yan, di parang pension mo na yan. Para ka lang naguhulog ng $9.95 monthly, and then at the end of after some time, pag napuno na yung matrix mo, aabot na ng 100,000 yung monthly kita mo. Di ba? Mas malaki pa sa pension yun. So yan, if you want to learn more about this, then stay tuned. Kasi ito na po, pag-uusapan na natin kung paano kumita dito sa Live Good. Actually, the only way you can earn $2,000 or more per month is to become an affiliate. What is an affiliate? An affiliate, just to give you an idea, si Live Good kasi hindi yan nag-advertise. Hindi yan nag-advertise sa TV, sa radio, sa magazine, sa billboard, not even in the internet. However, as a company, kailangan malaman siya ng maraming tao. In fact, kailangan malaman siya ng halos lahat ng tao, di ba? As an affiliate member, para kang referring partner. You refer Live Good to your friends, kaibigan mo, kamag-anak mo, kapatid mo, kapitbahay mo, 'di ba? Kabarangay mo, ka-church mo, lahat. Lahat ng kakilala mo, i-refer mo si Live Good. Even yung mga hindi mo kakilala, i-refer mo si Live Good. Why? Because we also give you the opportunity to earn income with the most exciting compensation plan in the industry. In fact, as I would describe it, this is the most generous compensation plan that I have seen. Ang ganda po ng kitaan ng Live Good. Okay. So how do I become an affiliate member? Ganun din po. You go back to the person who invited you or who gave you this link. Kung halimbawa nakita nyo lang to sa Facebook, hanapin nyo ng timeline tapos i-message mo. I want to have your sponsors link kasi magre-register na ako. Di ba? Register there and then pay $49.95. Why $49.95? Kasi may one-time affiliate fee pong $40. Tapos yung $9.95 will be your first month subscription. Okay, is that clear? Since one time lang yung $40, the following month, ang babayaran mo na lang is $9.95 para mag-remain ka as member of Live Good. Alright, so what do I get with the $49.95? Number one, since you paid for your monthly membership fee, then you become a member. So lahat ng discount that we offer our member, meron ka nun. Alright, number two, since affiliate member ka, meaning you're going to refer Live Good to many people, Live Good knows na kailangan mo ng tools. Kaya bibigyan ka ng digital marketing products. Ano yan? Number one, magkakaroon ka ng sarili mong online shop. Para kang may sariling Shopee tsaka Lazada. Kasi andun yung pangalan mo eh. Tapos lahat ng products ng Live Good nandun. Doon ngayon, yun yung ibibigay mo doon sa mga gusto lang ng products and willing to pay retail. Kasi at retail price nakalagay yun. Alright? And then number two, meron ka rin tinatawag na landing page. It's a very powerful tool. Ang unang bubungad dun sa pagbibigyan mo niyan, yung video ni Ben Glinsky explaining what Live Good is. In fact, with that landing tool, ang dami na pong napapa-join. Yung video na yun pa lang ang napapanood. Okay, dun din po magre-register yung mga taong gusto mong ma-refer dito. So yes, ibibigay mo yan dun sa mga tao naman na gusto mong maging affiliate members din para magiging partner mo in doing the business. Alright, number three, for you to be able to monitor your business, bibigyan ka ng business site. Sa business site naman, diyan mo makikita, di ba magre-refer ka ng tao? Diyan mo makikita yung mga taong nare-refer mo. And yung mga taong nare-refer nila. And yung mga taong nare-refer nila. Bakit importante yan? Kasi Live Good will pay you not only for your own action or for your own effort, they will give you leverage to earn even dun sa effort ng mga taong na-refer mo sa program. Okay? Kasi as an affiliate member, you get to participate in the compensation plan. At yun na po ang pag-uusapan natin ngayon. Okay, time check, 9:55. Pasimula pa lang po yung ating magandang part ng ating presentation, which is the compensation plan. Okay, so how do you earn from Live Good as an affiliate member? Number one, our compensation plan will be structured or will be powered by two structures, yung uni-level structure and your force matrix structure. Ano yung uni-level? Remember, you would be referring people to become affiliate members like you. So lahat po ng marirefer mo rito that will be directly connected to you in the uni level. Okay? So yun yung level 1 mo. And then yung marirefer nila, that would be your level 2. Now yung marirefer nung na-refer nila, that would be your level 3. Okay? Why is it important? Because Live Good will pay you up to 10 levels deep depending on your rank. At ang maganda po nito, hindi ka pipigilan ni Live Good mag-refer. Infinite wide yan. You can refer as many people as you want. Alright? So that's one structure. Kailangan natin yan tandaan kasi gagamitin yan mamaya para to show you how we compute for one of the compensation here in Live Good. Actually, two. Anyway, yung isang structure naman is force matrix, the 2x15 force matrix. Ano naman yan? Ito, system assigned to ha. Hindi ka pwedeng mangako na sali ka sa akin, lalagay kita sa kanan ko, ikaw sa kaliwa ko. No, this would be system assigned. Alright? Pero lahat po ng mare-refer mo rito would fall inside or in your matrix. Okay? Paano yan? So halimbawa, ikaw yung nasa top, ang gagawin ni system, kakabitan ka ng dalawa lang. Pagdating sa matrix to ha, so every person kakabitan niya ng dalawa lang. So let's say for example, nag-refer ka ng dalawa, possible ikabit yung dalawa right under you. Alright? Eh what if mag-refer ka ng mas marami? Saan ikakabit yung pangatlo mo, pang-apat? Eh dalawa lang yung pwedeng ikabit sa'yo. Doon sa mga nasa ilalim mo na. Okay? Understood ba yan? Basta importante lang dito ang tandaan, dalawa lang yung pwedeng mailagay sa matrix. So, it's a power of 2. Yung level 1 mo is 2, and then 4, 8, 16, 32, 64, and so on. Up to 15 levels kasi you'll be paid up to 15 levels deep depending on your rank. Okay, by the way, this has nothing to do with the pyramiding scheme or anything like that. Ganyan lang po talaga magiging structure niyan. Kasi imaginein mo, isa kakabitan ng dalawa. Yung dalawa kakabitan ng tagalawa. Magmumukha talaga siyang triangle. And we all belong to a big matrix, the big worldwide matrix. Alright? May I explain ko further? So why are these structures important? Kasi we have 7 ways to earn here in Live Good. Yung ating weekly fast start and retail commission, that those will be computed using the uni-level structure. Meron naman tayong tinatawag na matrix commission. Pag-compute naman yan, gagamitin yung force matrix. Now, if you notice, meron nasa gitna matching bonuses kasi hybrid yan. Pagko-combinein yung uni-level tsaka yung matrix, force matrix para ma-compute yung matching bonus. By the way, pag diniscuss ko na tong matching bonus, yan yung pakinggan nyo ng gusto. Kasi yan yung way to earn dito sa Live Good na talagang magpapayaman sa'yo. Bukod pa yun sa Diamond Pool tsaka sa Crown Diamond Pool bonus. Okay? Meron pa rin tayong influencer bonus dito. Alright? So isa-isayin natin. Number 1, weekly fast start bonus 10 levels deep. Ano ibig sabihin niyan? Let's say for example, nakikinig ka ngayon, you're not yet an affiliate, but you have decided to become an affiliate. So what do? You pay your $49.95, right? And then immediately, bago ka matulog, pinagtatawagan mo na yung kaibigan mo. Uy, meron akong magandang opportunity napasok. Sali ka, sali ka. Ano ba yan? Basta makinig ka ng Zoom meeting tomorrow, meron tayo, manood ka doon. After the presentation, mag-join ka na. Ganun kasi ginawa ko eh. Diba? Ano nga ba yan? Basta umattend ka tomorrow. Sige, kita tayo bukas. Ganun lang. Diba? So what happened? Kinabukasan ngayon, nakinig sila ng Zoom presentation, nag-join. Diba? So, halimbawa, 4 yung tinawagan mo ngayon, like this example. Ang gagawin ni Live Good, for every successful referral na magagawa mo dito, bibigyan ka ni Live Good ng $25. $25. Every successful referral. So meron ba akong sinabing auto-ship? Meron ba akong sinabing quotas? Meron sinabi ba akong volume requirements? Wala. Ang qualification lang, isa kang affiliate member. Nag-join ka as an affiliate member, you paid your $49.95. Diba? Or if more than 1 month ka na, you're continuously paying your $9.95 a month. Yun lang ang qualification. And then you successfully refer people to join the program. You get $25. So just imagine. And this is being paid weekly nga pala. So ang mangyayari niyan, lahat ng mapapasok mo before Thursday US time, so mga Friday 3 p.m. dito, lahat na mapapasok mo before Friday 3 p.m., babayaran ka the following week, which is Thursday. Kasi dito, advance pa nga mag-release ng comment, natatanggap namin yung pay namin mga Thursday night pa lang. Alright? Weekly marirelease yan. So dito pa lang, kaya mo nang kumita ng mga pangbayad mo ng bills, diba? Pandagdag sa matrikula. Pwede na doon sa mga everyday expenses mo. Alright? Remember, no other qualification but to become an affiliate member, remain a member, and successfully refer people inside. $25 yun. Ito yung pinakamabilis na mabawi mo yung $49.95 na binayad mo. Alright? Now, that's only for the unranked. Kasi if you are unranked, meaning wala ka pang successfully refer dito, hanggang level 1 ka lang. Makakuha ka ng isa, bigyan ka $25. Ito maganda, pag nakakuha ka ng 2, bukod sa nabalik na sa iyo yung $49.95 mo, bukod sa nadoble na yung kita mo, ito pa, you get to enjoy up to level 2. Diba? Kaya 10 levels deep yan. Kasi if you keep on referring more people, naging silver ka, may enjoy mo na hanggang level 3 and 4. Tapos tuloy-tuloy ka pa rin, refer ka pa rin ng refer. Tapos yung mga nare-refer mo, tinuturuan mo kung paano gawin yung business. Naging gold ka, umabot ka na ng level 5 and 6. Pag platinum ka na, level 7 and 8 na yung na-enjoy mo. Pag diamond ka na, umabot ka na ng levels 9 and 10. So weekly fast start bonus pa lang yan. But think about this. Infinite wide tayo, meaning you can refer as many people as you want. So darating talaga yung point, hindi mo na alam, wala ka nang ginagawa, yet pumapasok pa rin yung income sa'yo. Kasi up to 10 levels deep, nakakakita ka. Yes, and it's happening already. Kahit sa akin, nangyayari yan eh. There are weeks na talagang hindi ako nakapag-refer kahit isa, yet may pumasok na income sa akin. Diba? Kasi I'm enjoying already up to level 6 eh. Alright? So, talagang encouragement namin dito mag-refer. Okay? So, that's the weekly fast start bonus, 10 levels deep. Ano naman yung monthly matrix commission? Okay? You know the matrix already, di ba? By the way, nasabi ko rin na we belong to a big matrix. Meaning, ikaw, may tao na nasa taas mo. Yung taong nasa taas mo, may tao pa na nasa taas niya. May tao pa sa nasa taas niya. Okay, so saan manggagaling yung mga tao sa matrix mo? Unang-una, very important, yung manggagaling sa'yo. Meaning, you're referring people to be part of the program. So that would go inside you. Yung inside your matrix. That would fall inside your matrix. Okay, saan pa? Di ba sabi ko, dalawa lang yung pwedeng makabit na sa isang tao. What if yung mga tao sa ibabaw mo continuously referring people as well, possible na mapunta rin sa matrix mo yon. Diba? And saan pa? Yung mga taong ni-refer mo, they decided to do the business as well. So lahat ng marirefer nila mapupunta sa matrix nila. Eh nasa loob sila ng matrix mo. So they all would fall inside your matrix as well. Okay? So, galing sa iyo, galing sa mga taong nasa taas mo, or galing dun sa mga taong napunta sa loob ng matrix mo, that would be part of your matrix. Ang maganda nito, for every person na mapupunta sa matrix mo, LiveGood will pay you 25 cents. Every person na nagbabayad ng monthly subscription nilang $9.95, every time they pay the $9.95 monthly subscription, babayaran ka ni LiveGood ng 25 cents. Eto ngayon, baka inisip nyo, 25 cents, ang liit naman. But look at this. This is how the matrix would look like. Ikaw, for example, si Orange Man. And then the blue men are the people in your matrix. Di ba, power of 2 nga yan. So 2, 4, 8, 16, 32, 64, all the way up to level 15. Right? So ganito yan. Nabanggit din kanina that even if you don't refer, if you cannot or fail to refer anybody in the program, you'll still be paid $2,000, right? Kasi if you're unranked and if you remain unranked, sino yung mga unranked? Yung mga hindi nakakapag-refer ng tao. Diba? Yung matrix mo, since hindi lang naman sa'yo manggagaling yan, posibleng mapuno yan. Mapupuno at mapupuno yan definitely. Kung kailan, hindi ko alam. But once na napuno yan up to level 12, kasi babayaran ka as unranked, LiveGood will pay you up to level 12 matrix income. Imagine, aabot ng 8,190 people in your matrix times 25 cents. That's $2,047.50. Unranked ka nun. Kung kailan mapupuno to, hindi ko po alam. Yun lang ang masasagot ng kahit na sino dito. If you ask, kailan mapupuno yung matrix ko pag hindi ako nag-refer ng tao? Hindi po namin alam. At wag po kayong umasa, wag po kayong magmabilis kasi hindi rin naman nanggaling sa inyo yung mga tao na napunta sa matrix nyo. Galing din sa ibang tao. Alright? Pero what we can assure you is mapupuno at mapupuno yan in time. Alright? Pero ang maganda nito, hindi natin kailangan mapuno yung matrix to be able to start earning. In fact, magkaroon lang ng isa, babayaran ka na 25 cents. Pag nagkaroon ng 4, bayaran ka $1. And think about this, magkaroon lang ng 40 in your matrix, binabayaran ka na ng $10. Eh monthly na yon kasi monthly nagbabayad ng $9.95 yung mga taong yun, di ba? Monthly mo nang marireceive yung $10. Magkano yung subscription natin? $9.95. So the moment your matrix reach 40 people, covered na yung subscription mo para ka nang nagninegosyo ng libre. Alright? But why be satisfied with only 2,047.50 when in fact, mag-refer ka lang ng dalawa, magiging bronze ka na. Kasi si bronze aabot ng level 13 yung kanyang matrix. That's 4,095. Si bronze tsaka si silver. And if you continue to refer people to the program, aabot ka ng gold or platinum. You get to enjoy level 14. That's 8,191.50. Pag nag-diamond ka, grabe, up to level 15, $16,383. That's 900,000 pesos. Monthly income yan, ha? Kasi tuloy-tuloy nagbabayad yung mga tao ng 995. Ngayon, ganito, sabi ko, wala kang control if you're not going to refer people to live good, wala kang control kung kailan mapupuno yung matrix mo. But I can show you a very simple way na mapabilis mapuno yan. Okay? How do you do that? Refer to and teach those two to get to. And then repeat. Ganun lang po kasimple. Kuha ka ng dalawa, turuan mo yung dalawang kinuha mo, na kumuha rin ng dalawa. So every person na magjo-join in your organization would definitely get to. If that happens, ito mangyayari sa system mo, sa organization mo. Weekly po kunyari nangyari yan. Ikaw, pag-join mo ngayon, bigla ka nag-invite. In 1 week, nakakuha ka ng dalawa. Tapos yung dalawang yon, sinabi mo, mag-invite din kayo, mag-refer kayo ng tao, kumuha kayong Tagalawa. Nakakuha sila, naging 4, nagkaroon ng additional 4. And then 8, 16, 32, 64. On the 12th week, 3 buwan pa lang pong ginagawa yung negosyo, umabot na ng 8,190 people in your matrix. So you're already receiving the $2,047.50. 100,000 pesos po yun. And monthly income po yun. Eh since nakapag-refer ka ng dalawa, diba, naging bronze ka, umabot ka ng level 13. So on the 13th week, kumikita ka na, on the 13th week, puno na yung 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 13th level ng matrix mo, yung kita mo sa matrix commission, umabot na ng 4,000. 4,000 plus dollars. Ganun po kalaki yan. Alright? And then, all you need to do is refer to, get to, teach them to get to. And then, para mag-rank up ka even further, you repeat the process. Kuha ka uling dalawa, teach them to get to. And then, kuha ka uling dalawa, teach them to get to. Ngayon, paano mo mapapa-move yung nakuha mo to get to? Sabihin mo lang, para mabawi mo yung $49.95 mo. Kasi for every person na mapapasok mo rito, bibigyan ka ng $25. Makakuha ka lang ng dalawa, that's $50. Diba? And then ipakita mo sa kanila that you're continuously getting to. And then encourage them to continuously get to themselves. Alright? So bakit importante na nagre-refer ng tao to live good? It's because of this, matching bonuses. Si matching bonus po kasi, I'll be frank with you, ang makakatanggap lang niyan are those who successfully refer people to live good. Remember, pag sumali ka rito, magkakaroon ka ng sarili mong matrix, di ba? So lahat po ng marirefer mo rito, they would have their own matrix as well. And they would have their own matrix income as well. Si matching bonus, if you're the one who referred that person, Live Good will give you 50% of whatever they earn in the matrix, in their matrix. Okay? So let me give you an example. For example, ikaw yan. You decided to join now, tapos nag-invite ka ng tao, may 4 na nag-join sa iyo. Okay? And in time, they did the business, si A, si B, si D, tsaka si E. Ayan, A, B, C, D, E. Okay? A decided to do the business, umabot na ng $1,000 yung matrix income niya. Matatanggap ni A ng buo yung $1,000. Plus, bibigyan ka ni Live Good ng matching bonus of 50%. Magkano yun? $500. Si B ang kinikita na sa matrix, $500. Ikaw may $250. Si C may $100 na sa matrix, ikaw may $50 matching bonus. Si D, for example, $200 na yung matrix income niya, ikaw may $100 matching bonus. At ang maganda nito, infinite wide, unlimited ang pwede mong ma-refer dito. So ilang beses kang magmamatch, ilang tao yung ima-matching bonus mo. Kaya sinabi ko sa inyo, ito po yung makakapagpatupad ng mga pangarap nyo. Diba? And now, I'm just talking about those who you directly referred. Pero in the matching bonus, Live Good will even give you generation bonuses. Ano ibig sabihin yan? Let's say you did the business, tuloy-tuloy ka nagre-refer, eventually naging silver ka. You get a 10% generation bonus on, matching generation bonus on the first and second generation. Pag gold ka na, umaabot ka na ng third generation. Meron ka ng 10% doon sa mga silver generation na yan, tapos may 5% ka pa for the next, for the 3 generation, first, second, and third generation. Pag platinum ka, abot ka na ng 4th. Pag diamond ka, abot ka ng 5th. May 3% ka all the way from 1st to 5th generation. Okay? Maybe this other slide, the next slide will even explain it better. Let's say for example, ikaw, nag-direct sponsor ka, 10 tao. Yung 10 tao ngayon, let's say after doing the business, they started to earn $100 in their matrix. May 50% ka, that's $50. 10 sila. That's $500 matching bonus for you. Generation bonus for you. Alright? No, for this one, it's matching bonus. Okay? However, yung 10 mo, nag-refer ng another 10 each, that's a total of 100 additional member in your team. Okay, so that's already your second generation. Silver ka na by then. Each of them earning $100 in their matrix, may 10% ka pa, that's $10. 100 sila. That's $1,000. Diba? Yung 10 nag-refer ng tag-10, that's 1,000 additional in your team. That's your third generation. Gold ka na. Okay? $50 na lang kunyari yung matrix income nila. 5% sa'yo, $250. 1,000 sila. That's 2,500. Yung 1,000, nakapag-invite pa rin, nakapag-refer pa rin, umabot ng tag-5. That's 5,000 people in your team. That's already your 4th generation, platinum. Alright? $50 na lang kunyari yung matrix income nila. 50% pa rin sa 5% pa rin sa'yo, that's $2.50. 5,000 sila. That's 12,500. Now, yung 5 nakapag-refer pa rin ng tag-5, that's 25,000 people additional in your team. You're already a diamond, so you enjoy up to 5th generation. $30 na lang kunyari yung matrix income nitong 25,000 na to, may 3% ka pa. Magkano yun? 90 cents. Pero huwag nyo mamaliitin yung 90 cents na yan. Kasi you're leveraging on 25,000 people. That's $22,500. So in a month, you could possibly earn $39,000 from matching bonuses alone. Alright? If you think this is not happening, this is. Ito, actual. Let me show you an actual my earnings of one of our coaches here. Disclaimer lang po, unang-una hindi akin to. This is not my income, pero this would be my future income. All right? Kasi ako tuloy-tuloy lang nagre-refer ng tao dito eh. All right? If this happened to them, this will happen to me as well. And second disclaimer, not because we're showing you an income, mangyayari din sa inyo. Okay? We all have different journeys here in Live Good. Kung ano po yung effort na inilagay nyo rito, yun po yung matatanggap nyo. So this could possibly be bigger. What you'll receive could possibly be bigger, or it could also possibly be smaller. Alright? So let me continue. Nung March po, yung matrix bonus niya, $225. But look at the matching bonus. 3 times more, $661. Alright? Nung March, naging diamond na siya. Hindi ko pa nadidiscuss yung diamond pool, pero he received it already. And then, nung April, naging $689 na yung kanyang matrix. Kasi tuloy-tuloy yung pag-refer niya eh. And then yung matching niya, umabot na ng 3,429. That's 5 times more. Right? And then nung May, umabot na ng 1,106 yung kanyang matrix, pero yung matching niya 7 times more. 7 times more, 7,500. What I'm trying to say here is ito matatanggap lang nung mga taong nagre-refer dito sa Live Good. So why be satisfied just waiting for things to happen when you can actually create things to happen. Right? So let's say for example, eto, sumali ka ngayon, tapos iniisip mo, mag-aano na lang ako, magsa-subscribe na lang ako, magiging happy subscriber na lang ako. Or maybe you do the business, you get to invite a person na nagsabi sa iyo, magsusubscribe lang ako, hindi ako magre-refer ha. Tanggapin mo pa rin. Okay, thank you very much, pero give me a favor. Do this as a favor for me and for you. Okay? Instead of just ikaw lang, isama mo na yung dalawang family member mo. Kasi ito mangyayari sa income niya. Unang-una, magiging bronze siya, aabot siya ng 13th level dun sa kanyang matrix. That's $4,095.50. Tapos yung dalawang family member niya, each of them would receive $2,047.50. Magkano yan? $4,095 din, di ba? May 50% matching bonus ka doon. That's $2,047.50. Magkano ngayon yung total niyan? $10,238 monthly income. In peso, that's 573,000 pesos monthly income. Alam mo, ikatutuwa nung friend mo, nung prospect mo, or nung affiliate mo, pag sinunod niya yung advice mo. Kasi instead of just earning 100,000, the family is earning 500,000. Alright? So, ganun kaganda yung nagre-refer talaga. Ganun kaganda yung nagpapasok ng tao dito. Ito, imagine mo, 20 directs mo. Each of your 20 directs, mga happy subscribers na lang. Time will come, mapupuno yung matrix nila. Yung matrix income nila, aabot ng $2,047.50. When that happens, meron ka pa rin 50% matching dyan, $1,023.75, 20 sila. So yung matching mo, umaabot ng $20,475. Matching bonus pa lang yan. That's 1.1 million pesos monthly income. Pag ganyan nakalaki yung kita mo, talaga natutupad na. Wala ka ng utang kasi nabayaran mo na lahat. Buwan-buwan pumapasok yan eh. Wala ka ng utang, nabayaran mo na lahat. And if you're doing tithes sa church mo, you're actually giving 110,000 or 114,000 monthly tithes, 'di ba? Dreams ng family mo natupad na, dreams mo natupad na. Right? Kung makakuha ka ng 30 directs, tapos yung 30 directs mo, tinuruan mo na to do the business as well. Each of them earning 6,000 na lang in their matrix income. May 50% ka, that's 3,000. 30 sila, that's $90,000. In peso, that's 5 million peso monthly income. At this point, talagang kaya mo nang mag-support ng isang foundation. Ang dami mo nang natutulungan dito kung ganyang kalaki yung income mo. Right? Ngayon, dito sa Dreammaker Worldwide, since we make dreams come true, ang vision natin dito, 100 solid direct referrals. What do I mean by 100 solid direct? Meaning, kung ako, ang plano ko is maging Crown Diamond one day, lahat ng magiging directs ko, magiging Crown Diamond din. Alright? You have 100 directs. All of them Crown Diamond. Magkano yung kinikita sa matrix? 16,383.50. 50% of that, 8,191. 100 yon. $819,000. Magkano yung peso yan? 45,873,000. Pag ganyan na yung monthly income mo, talagang kaya mo nang magtayo ng sarili mong foundation. Alright? Now, this is just a looking forward to. Kasi halimbawa, tinuloy-tuloy mo, nakakaisa ka, dalawa, 3 monthly, tuloy-tuloy lang. And over a period of, let's say over a period of 10 years, 20 years, umabot ng 1,000 yung direct referrals mo. And each of them earning 6,000 na lang in their matrix, may 3,000 ka, 50% matching bonus times 1,000. That's $3 million monthly income. In peso, umaabot yan ng 168 million pesos. Possible? Yes. Kailan? Bukas? No. Kaya nga sabi ko, in time. Let's say over a period of time, over 10 years, over 20 years, umabot ng 1,000 yung direct mo. So, posibleng mangyari yan. And at this point, huwag kayong manula kasi talagang nakita nyo naman kung gaano kalaki yung subscription company tsaka yung in-adopt nating business model, yung membership club companies or membership club industry. Ganun po kalaki ang kitaan dyan. Kaya kayang-kaya pong ibigay ng company yan sa atin in time na dumating sa atin yan. Alright? Now, this will happen if you rank up to diamond. Yung pinakita ko kaninang get to, teach them to get to, pampabilis lang mapuno ng matrix yon. To rank up, instead of just getting 2, you get 3. And teach those 3 to get 3. And teach them to teach those 3 to get their own 3. Okay? So ganun lang yan. Ito mangyayari sa organization mo. Nagkaroon ng 3. Una, nag-iisa ka, nadagdagan ng 3, and then 9, 27, 81, 243. On the 7th week, diamond ka na. Kasi ang requirement lang ng diamond is 2,500 active members. You already have 3,279 active members in your organization. Alright? Pag nag-10th week na yan, halimbawa weekly mangyari to, on the 10th week, talagang umaapaw na yung matrix mo. Di ba? And crown diamond ka na by then. And on the 11th week, ang dami mo nang nabibless na tao kasi ganun na karami yung organization mo. O let's say, wag natin gawing weekly to, gawin na lang nating monthly. Less than 1 year, ganyan na karami yung tao in your organization. Alright? Kaya napakaganda pong nagre-refer talaga ng tao. Don't be satisfied with just referring 3 people. If you can refer as many as you can, the more matching bonuses you would have, the more chances dan talagang mag-rank up ka. And consider this, mas maraming buhay kang mababago. 'Di ba? Kasi lahat sila magi-improve yung life nila if they do the business right. Okay, now let's talk about the retail commission. Si retail commission naman, 'di ba may retail price tsaka members price. Ngayon may difference yan. Let's say for example, the retail price is 20. The member's price is 10, so there's a difference of $10. Live Good will give you 50% of the difference. So meron kang $5. In case na may bumili sa'yo in retail. Okay? Ngayon, 10 levels deep din yan depending on your rank. Pag nag-bronze ka, up to level 2. Pag nag-silver ka, up to level 4. Gold up to level 6. Platinum up to level 8. Diamond up to level 10. So hindi mo na binenta, hindi na ikaw yung nagtrabaho, bibigyan ka pa rin ng kita ni Live Good. And remember, infinite wide yan. Now, kung sikat ka na sa YouTube or sa TikTok, influencer ka na, ang dami mo ng followers, meron din tayong tinatawag na influencer bonus dito. Ito naman, those who are able to do volume sales. Okay, influencer ka nga so ang dami mong followers. Ang gawin mo lang, encourage all your followers to buy the products in Live Good using your online shop. Alright, so what will happen? Let's say umabot ng $2,500 yung monthly sales mo, monthly retail sales mo, yung 50% mo dadagdagan pa ng 10, making it 60. Pag nag 5,000 yan, ang additional mo 20 na, making it 70% na. Pag nag 10,000, you get an additional 30, making it 80%. Pag nag 25,000 yan, magkakaroon ka ng additional na 40, 90% na nung difference between retail price and members price will go to you. Pag umabot ng 50,000 yan, ibibigay na sa'yo lahat. Kasi yung 50% mo, dadagdagan pa ng 50%, making it 100%. Alright? Kaya maganda rin i-consider to influencer bonus. But, ang pinakamagandang income, ang sweetest income talaga dito is the income na hindi mo talaga pinagtrabahuhan. Yes, pagtatrabahuhan mo once kasi you have to rank up to become diamond in order to receive the diamond bonus pool. Ano yung diamond bonus pool? Ang diamond bonus pool po, lahat ng kinita ng company for the month, worldwide yan, sa US, sa Canada, lahat po, pagsasama-samahin, kukuha ng 2%. At yung 2% na yan, i-divide among all diamonds. Alright, last month po, we have already 50 diamonds worldwide. Last month po, tumanggap sila ng tagpo $4,000 plus. Wala silang ginawa they didn't do anything about this diamond pool. Kasi kita na ng company yan. Ang tawag dyan, profit sharing na. Kaya ako sinabing sweetest income to kasi talagang passive income na to. Alright? But if you continue to do the business and you become crown diamond eventually, may additional ka pa. May hati ka na dun sa 2%, bibigyan ka pa ng additional 0.5%. Yung 0.5% na yan, paghahatian lang ng mga crown diamond. Currently, we have 2 crown diamonds. Isa si Tim Miller from the USA and yung pangalawa, our very own Coach Fernan Santiago. Shout out, Coach Fernan. Di ba? Ganun kagaling ang mga Pilipino eh. And just think about this. Let's say nag-10 million yung kinita ng company. Magkano yung 0.5%? That's $50,000. Eh, dalawa silang naghati. They each received $25,000. Sample lang yan na 10 million yung ano. Who knows, mas malaki yung kinita ng company. Diba? Kaya ambisyonin natin lahat tayo ng mga affiliates na dito or yung mga mag-member pa lang dito, ambisyonin natin maging Crown Diamond. Kasi ang laki po ng marireceive nating benefits when we do that. And let's do it the fastest. Habang dadalawa pa lang sila, if you become the 3rd Crown Diamond, 3 pa lang kayong maghahati-hati dun sa 0.5% na yan. Right? Now, if you're still an affiliate member and you still don't find a reason to join, eto, I'll give you 4. Number 1, we just officially launched. Meaning, kasi simula pa lang po natin, pillar stage pa lang tayo. Pinatayo pa lang natin yung foundation ng Live Good. And being pioneer is the best time to become an affiliate member. Number 2, high quality and very affordable health products. Nakita nyo naman po kanina, talagang bagsak presyo tayo pero hindi natin binabagsak ang kalidad ng ating mga produkto. And then number 3, marketing system tools and trainings. This is one of the tools you could actually abuse. Kasi every day we have a Zoom presentation, all you need to do is invite them. Kaya nga dun sa turo ko kanina, di ba? You don't need to explain. Pag tinanong, ano ba yan? Basta umattend ka ng Zoom bukas. Basta attend ka ng Zoom mamaya. Ang pupugi pa ng mga presenters. Di ba? Ano pa? May trainings tayo. Meron tayong both international and local trainings. The websites are there. Meron din tayong mga product websites. Marami tayong systems dito, training dito, tools na pwede nyo talagang gamitin to make your business a lot easier. All right? And then pinakamaganda, a simple, powerful, and lucrative, and very, very generous pay plan. Nakita nyo naman kanina yung compensation natin. And by the way, this is the only company I know that gives away 85% of their income. Sinabi po ni Ben Glinsky yan, after paying all the commissions, all the bonus pools, all the bonus and whatnot, they practically gave out 85% of their income. Alright? So ano pa ang reason mo ba't hindi ka magjo-join? Magkano ba to join? Less than 3,000. Pagpalagay mo ng 2,950. Di ba? Hindi mo ikahihirap yung ganong amount. Pero ipagsisisi mo kung sakaling malaman mo in the future na yung mga nag-affiliate dito sa Live Good nagsipagyaman na for only 2,950. And 580 monthly. Diba? The choice is yours eh. However, you have to make the right choice if you want to change your life because you cannot do the same thing again and again and expect different result. This time, binibigyan ka ng choice whether to join Live Good or not. Choose wisely. Choose to join. Okay? We're starting with very high quality product at a very low cost. And that's what we will continue to do. Ang maganda nito, ngayon nasa 20 products na yung ating portfolio. Pero dadagdagan ni Live Good yan. Live Good will add more products and services in the near future. Live Good will be the Amazon of network marketing. Diba? Right now, we're just on the tip of the iceberg. Ayan po yan. Nasa taas pa lang tayo. Kung makikita natin yung matrix, nakikita natin yung 700,000 members, maliit pa po yan. Kasi in the future, talagang aabot tayo ng 200 million. Aabot tayo ng lalagpas-lagpasan natin yung mga malalaking subscription company ngayon. Kasi we pay. LiveGood is a membership club that pays. Now, if you're already an affiliate member, don't let go. Continuously pay your subscription. Kasi sayang. Sayang, nandun ka na nakasakay ka na Kasi whether you want to or not, whether you join or not, kami tuloy-tuloy lang. Tuloy-tuloy lang kaming maggagawin tong negosyong to. Ngayon, time will come, let's say in 2 to 3 years, ganito yan lahat po ng hindi pa affiliate ngayon na nakikinig ng presentation ko, in 2 to 3 years or even in 1 year, ito lang yung masasabi niyan. Dalawang klaseng tao yan. Yung unang tao, siya yung hindi sasali. Diba? Makikita niya ngayon yung mga nakasabayan niya rito, gumanda na yung buhay. Sasabihin niya lang, sayang, dapat nakinig na sumali na ako nung una ko narinig to. Yung pangalawa naman, who would make the right decision to become a member and do the business, ang sasabihin niyan, ay, salamat sa Diyos. Nakinig ako, nagtiwala ako, sumali ako. Ngayon, eto na ang buhay ko. Eto na ang buhay ng family ko. So the choice is yours. If you're an invite here, if you're a guest, bago ka rito, nasa sa iyo yung pagpili. Right? Because you can either be an A, B, or C. A, an affiliate member and enjoy all the perks that I have just discussed. B, become a member and enjoy the discount, the low price, high quality products. Or C, become a retail customer. You'll still buy in retail. Yes, discounted pa rin, pero mas mababa pa rin yung member's price. Either way, thank you very much. Diba? Pero if you would ask me, not because I'm already an affiliate member, pero if you would ask me, lahat po ng tao, mas maganda maging affiliate member. Especially you, na napakinggan na tong presentation na to. Kasi ang daming tao hindi pa alam ang LiveGood And ang daming tao hindi pa mababago yung buhay nila. Now, LiveGood is an opportunity being open to you. It's a blessing being handed to you. Now, it's up to you whether you would have a closed hand and not accept it, or you would have a grabbing hand. Grab it, accept it, embrace it, and then do it. Diba? So now, get back to the person who invited you here and tell them that you are in either A, B, or C. Or better yet, ngayon pa lang, sabihin nyo na, are you an A, B, or a C? Sige, sulat nyo sa chat. Diba? So, with that, I say thank you very much. This is again Juan Reyes, one of your coaches here in LiveGood. And I'm really